This is how you make the most amazing rib roast you've ever seen. Start by frying up some garlic and some shallots. Add some mushrooms, some serrano, stir them for a while and mix them up. This is your stuffing. Now I'm going to slice into this beautiful rib roast. I'm gonna run my knife along the bone, creating a pocket. This is where I'm going to add my stuffing. Tie it up together with some butcher's twine, get it on a rotisserie and start up the Napoleon. While the rib roast is roasting, it's time to make a basting sauce. We'll start by mixing 1 part salt, half a part of black pepper, a quarter part thyme, a quarter part onion powder, a quarter part garlic powder and a quarter part paprika powder. Now melt a stick of butter and add that rub to the butter. There's only one thing left to do, and that's get all of that butter on that rib roast. Nothing can beat a good basting session.
That crust is amazing. Wow.